BrainyBeams. Let's learn the names of farm animals. Cow. This is a cow. Pig. This is a pig. Camel. This is a camel. Sheep. This is a sheep. Goat. This is a goat. Horse. This is a horse. Duck. This is a duck. Turkey. This is a turkey. Donkey. This is a donkey. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Rooster. This is a rooster. Goose. This is a goose. Chicken. This is a chicken. Bull. This is a bull. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. Peafowl. This is a peafowl. Guinea fowl. This is a guinea fowl. Calf. This is a calf. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. BrainyBeams.